The Conservation Science Unit is the Endangered Wildlife Trust's scientific hub. We provide scientific support across the organization's programs and projects to ensure that our collective work is scientifically sound and evidence-based. One of the key strategies of the CSU is to identify and fill knowledge gaps that inform conservation decisions. One such project that falls under this strategy is the African Lion Database Project. In October 2018, we embarked on an exciting project on behalf of the IUCN Cat Specialist Group, on behalf of the broader conservation community, to create a database that consolidates lion population and distribution data from across the continent. In recent decades, there's been increasing concern over the fate of this iconic African species. In the last 25 years alone, Africa's lion population has halved, and it is estimated that there are only 23,000 lions left in the wild. Unfortunately, few lion populations across the continent have reliable estimates of population size or trends. Furthermore, data that have been collected tends to be siloed in various research and government institutions, and this contributes very little to conservation. A single database that consolidates population and distribution data for the species will be able to provide better conservation impact. Therefore, a range-wide African lion database would provide a solution to many of the current shortcomings that limit effective conservation decisions. The database is proudly hosted by the EWT's Conservation Science Unit on behalf of the broader conservation community. The ALD is financially supported by the Lion Recovery Fund and the National Geographic Society. Because we are hosting data that are owned by many different individuals and institutions from across the globe, much of the focus of our work for the first year of the project has been on building relationships with data holders and lion experts generally, in addition to developing robust data sharing agreements to document data that are shared within the database. We have set up database structures and established a system to support the data sharing process for multiple data providers. The challenging task of collecting population and distribution data is well underway, with more than 10,000 distribution points received and almost 500 population records included in the African Lion database. Our database will continue to grow beyond 2019, and we will soon develop an online platform.